Hi, I'm April with WTI. I would like you to meet my new favorite cleaning tool. Waitbird has made this amazing steam cleaner with so many attachments. I can literally use this everywhere around my house. From disinfecting our furniture, to cleaning rough, greasy, nasty places, windows, and even floors. This steamer does it all with ease. I absolutely love the fact that it does some serious cleaning with just water. I enjoy the fact that I can control how much steam comes out and that I can work in manual mode for small areas or automatic mode for large jobs. The shoulder strap and really long cord make it so easy to go anywhere. Harness the amazing power of steam. Upgrade your cleaning power and reduce your cleaning time with this steamer from Waitbird. And that's my point of view.